Hi guys, for this video nagdula ko og bad parenting. So let's go. So karon ako mapay nakadula guys kay kasi pagkabuntag. So let's go. New game. So let's start this game, okay? Let's this. So first, okay? Bad parenting. Bad parenting. Story 1, okay? Nakaraan na lang ko siya. Isa si Mr. Red Face.
Go back to old Yazoo.
Look, mish. May nakugunta. Okay. It's time, mom, you're home let again. Okay? Okay, ako ang anak ko. Simon. Sinisay, I was buzzing with work. Okay? Can you have some sympathy for me? Okay? So, both today is my birthday. Okay, birthday na ako. Of course, I know that. The wheel is my gift. Let's go. Master Red Face. Kasi si Master Red Face. Kasi si Master Red Face. Okay. Really? Okay. Of course. Okay, wait lang. Kapag basa. Going to be right now, mom. Okay, let's go. Okay, bakit sa ni? Okay, dad. Okay, papa na ko ni. Okay, you're calling the kid again. Okay. Dahan na ba mga istorya, oy? Iskip na natin ito yan. Okay. Ah! Hindi ako jump scare. Get back. My gosh, kami na ko. Naingkig ng akong papa. Okay, akong father. Okay, let's go na daw. Magtulog daw to daw. Okay, let's go. Let's sleep. Let's sleep now. Okay. Wow. Scary lagi. Ngit-ngit kayo. Ngit-ngit makini. Okay. Hello, tama din yun. Daw. Okay, na lagi music. Okay. Okay, matulog na to guys. Okay. So, what is that noise? Bakit sa no? Kinsa na? What is that? Kinsa na? Hello? Wait. Yaga. Eh. Oh my gosh. Ay, kinsa na? Wait. Again, sama ni siya. Oh my gosh. That's why my jump scare. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, go and see what is inside that box. Saan box? Ay, ara. Okay, box. Okay, saan siya? Teddy bear? Okay, teddy bear. Okay, is that the gift from Master Red Face? Is that is Master Red Face? No way. Okay. Okay, wait. What's ito eh? May nakapinak basa to. Habang ba mabasa ako? Okay. Story. Okay, let's go. Sama na ito. Okay. Go and open that closet. Okay, closet. Okay, di ba Mabri? The closet is still stuck. Okay. Na-stuck ang closet. Okay, try again. Okay. Okay. Again daw. Okay, di man dyan. Okay, siya. Welcome you in. Okay. Okay, let's go. Kung sa itong buhaton, go in the kitchen and look for something to eat. Okay. Let's go. Matatag kitchen. Okay, wait. Okay. Asa kitchen dari? Okay, around kitchen. Oh, the kitchen is there. Okay, kung sa itong buhaton, okay, go and, okay. Shippers. Wait. Let's, butang sa natin ni Teddy Bear dali, Anya, now go and grab the food. Okay, grab the food. Kung may kuhan dali, wait. What is this? Kibasa na to. Hindi na to basahon, Biki. Langay na kayo, guys. What is this? Ay, mo na food. Okay, this food. Anya, take the food and warm it in the oven. Okay. Isang oven. Okay. Money. Okay, oven. Okay, let's go. Anya. Okay, wait lang. Okay, na-cook na niya. Now put the meal on the table. Nya, eat your meal. Okay. Kano na to itong meal. Okay, let's go. Let's eat this meal. This is my meal. Okay. Okay, dal. What do you want? Yes, please. Okay, let's go. Okay, magkaon na ta. Okay. Okay, naharap na. Lah, napuno lagi. Wow, that's amazing. Kaya nawala. Nawala na ako. Napuno. Okay, what is that? Noon sa nang tabaw. Noon sa na. No, oh my gosh. Gusto na ko skip. Ay, dulaan eh. Okay, wait. Daw sa madidir kinsa na. Oh! My gosh, kinsa to? That's a master red face? What just happened? Oh my gosh. Mo to si master red face? Wait. Mo to siya? Oh my gosh. Kaya wala na ka to niya. Okay, wait. Sa tong go into your parents' room. Okay, okay. Parents' room? Asa tong parents' room? Okay, diri. Ay, diri. Okay, diri. Okay, come on. Parents' room. Unya. So, nalagyan diri ang dal. Yan ka diri dal. Where's my dad? Nabot na diri ang dal. Okay. Di na to pagdayon nun. Okay, malate na. Okay. Go and open your closet to find the show. The short. Okay. Closet. Mani na closet. Isang closet. It's okay. Sa tomato. Sa tomato. Ay, closet na ko. Okay, may closet daw. Okay, closet. May na closet. Okay, closet na to. Ato ang closet. Dito. Itong rooms. Itong kwarto, okay. Karaan na kayo siya nakuhaan. Ginakog karaan na dulang. You still can't open it. Okay. Let's go. Try to open your parents' close. Okay. Close it then. Okay. Parents close it daw. I-try na to daw. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ano to daw? Bisig na yung jump scare. Okay. There's nothing in here. Okay. Forgot. Okay. Okay. Okay, ang sa tong kanon. Go and grab that radio. Kani mo ni? Ay, ano na radio? Where's the radio? Radio. Say radio. Ay, kani kay. Go. Unya, sa natin butang. Put the radio in room from front of closet. Okay? Okay. Tapos, bisag na may jump scare diri pa. Tayo okay? Okay, ito yung kanon. Try to open your parents' closet. Oh my gosh. That's why may jump scare. What is that? Unsa to? Shade. No! Wait, no. Kinsa na? Kinsa to? Oh my god. Why mo jump scare? Try to open your parents' closet. My gosh, balik. What is that? Wait. Oh my gosh, what is that? Okay. Asa na tao? Unsa ni siya na lugar? Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, say, try to open your parents' closet. Okay, nakuha naman ako. Okay. Asa to? Asa ko, wait. Hello, somebody here? What is this? Okay. Kinalagi earring dili. Earring ni siya. Okay. Okay, what's up? I'm looking. Ah! Is broke. Okay, dako bag mata na nakat ay dako mata ang kuan earring. Okay. Kita kanta ba ni? Yan to kailangan basahon kay na-late na ta kay. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is... Oh! Minakunsa ba? My gosh. Boo! Okay. He just got started. Oh my gosh, ang minakunsa ba? Mga kid naman di ay, okay? Want to join us? I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Unsa tong button? Go and open that door. Asa na door? Okay, dili na door. Okay, dili. Okay. Hala si Papa. Nagkirig lagi ang Papa kay. Dad. Okay. Please stop punishing me. Okay. It's me, Dad. Unsa may nagkirig lagi ni si Dad. Okay. Chill lang dira dad. Okay. Go and lock what is that. Okay. This. Spell. Lagi kamu tad ako kayo. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's me. Okay, that's me. Okay. Ma, pangadok ma. Dili so lagi mo imong ulo ma. Please. Okay, you want wrong with you. Oh my gosh. Dili so lagi tong kuan. Ulo ni mama. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Nasino ko na yung mga jump scare. Hi. Of course. Okay. Okay, let's go. Dito sa itong button. Okay, matuto sa itong kuan bed. Okay, kuan na daw to daw. Matulog daw to daw. Okay, let's go. Okay, na. Okay, oh my gosh! Mama. Ah! Hindi na ako madula! Oh my gosh. Naunsa ko? Oh my gosh. Guys, diri-diri tabita tong video, guys. It's so scary. So, please enjoy this video. So, more to guys. Bye-bye.